If you want to stream your own media on your own server, we can do it with Jellyfin. This is an open source service that is free to install on a VPS to start streaming from a VPS. So let me go ahead and show you how to install it right now. Now in this case, this is Jellyfin, and you can see it in action just to get an idea of how it actually works and decide if this is the right fit for you. You can stream movies, music, and you got a ton of details. You can favorite this. You can add all the available details as a description, genre, directors, the cast and crew, information for each one of these. So it's really powerful and robust. So it's super easy to use and practical. Now let me show you how to install this on a VPS after the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a VPS plan to install Jellyfin, this is a great option. You can grab a VPS that has the Docker Projects Manager where you can install multiple applications inside of that VPS. Now scroll down here and you'll find there are available VPS plans that you can grab right now. I recommend the KBM2 plan because it has that balance of good pricing and good limits. You get 2 CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, and 100 GB of NVMe storage. Let's go ahead and choose this plan right now and show you how to go through the process of setting this up. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price, and you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, next thing you want to do is click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my code and apply it, and the price is going to drop to $189.86, and you're good to go for 2 years. Next thing you want to do is select the server location. Select this nearest where you are located to stream these movies. Next, go ahead and select plain OS and select Ubuntu, or if you want to select the application, choose Docker. That way you can install multiple applications using Docker. Now let's jump over to my hPanel to show you how to install this. When you're located in the dashboard of the hPanel, go ahead and jump over to VPS, select the VPS where you have your Docker installation, and you'll find Docker Manager. Inside of here, we're going to click on Compose, and in Compose, we're going to do a one-click deploy. Go ahead and search for Jellyfin. Here it is, selected, and deploy it. Now, I already have a brand new deployment just to show you how this is going to work to guide you through the setup process. So here it is, Jellyfin. Let's go ahead and open this up, and this is a brand new setup. So server name, I'm going to name it SaaS Master for this testing purposes. Preferred language, English. Let's go ahead and continue. The root username, password, and the confirmation of the password. So we have the username and the password. This is for the admin password. Now, currently, I am now creating the library. Let's hit next. Let's go ahead and continue. And we now need to log in as the admin user. So let's go ahead and sign in right now. Here we go. And there's nothing right now because I haven't uploaded anything. This is a brand new, fresh installation as I showed you right now. We can go ahead and create everything with the details. So we got our dashboard information. We got our general, we got our branding, we got our users. And yes, you can create users for children's because you can have them designated to only view children movies aside from the whole library. So you have those options available here. You got your library, your playback, devices, activity, and so much more. You got your general settings and the rest of the information. Now, in this case, I already have an installation of my own Jellyfin. I created this using the API key, so it saves me time. I created a collection of 4K movies, which are divided in these sections. And I have, for example, this one right here that I have all the available details. So I know the video quality, the audio, the details, the star rating, the director, the studio, and cast crew for this specific movie. All of this can be set up. Yes, it takes some time, but it's totally worth it if you want to have your own system to start streaming. Now, I highly recommend that you use the API key in the dashboard for the admin user. Go to API keys, generate a new API key, name it, and use an AI agent to create all the libraries and the details that you're going to need. It's going to save you a ton of time. Once you're done, go ahead and delete the API key. Now, to make this work, you need to provide the API key and the link to the domain and tell it what you want. But it's going to save you a ton of time because it's going to create everything that you're going to need, including the branding, the images, the libraries, the descriptions, etc., that you're going to save a ton of time. So if you want to install Jellyfin, go ahead and use that link in the description to grab a new VPS. And that's a wrap.